Morning, everybody. My name is Nixon, and today I will be teaching on percentages. What are percentages? Percentage is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. Think of percentage as dividing a whole into 100 equal parts. A note: 25% means 25 out of 100 parts. Now, let's look at an example of it. A video game originally cost $50 today. It is on sale for $40. What is the percentage discount? So, the question is asking us to find percentage discount for the video game. We are finding percentage discount for the video game. There are 3 steps to follow in order to work the question. The first step is to subtract. The second step is to put it over the original price. And the third step is to simplify and convert to get your answer. Now, step 1. We are taking the cost, which is the original price, which is $50, and we're subtracting it from $40. Now we subtract 50 from 40, we get 10. Good. So $10 is the change. $10 is the change. Finish step 1. Now we move on to step 2, which is put it over the original price. Now we're taking $10, which is the change, and we're putting it over the original price, which is $50. So we're going to take the 10 and put it over the 50. That's how we end up with 10 over 50. Now, to break this down, in order to get your answer, we are going to do everything. This 10 times 1 is 50. 5. 10 was 10. And we're going to do that, right? Now we're going to end up with, as we're going to end up with is 1 over 5. Good. Now, finish with step 2. Now let's move on to step 3, which is to simplify and convert. Now, we're going to take this 1/5 and divide it. When you divide 1 by 5, you're going to have a decimal. And your decimal, your answer is going to be 0.2. Now we are looking at 0.2. So remember, we have to find for the percentage discount. Now I'm going to take this 0.2 and multiply it by the 100. So 0.2 multiplied by 100, your answer is 20%. And there is your answer. So, the video game originally cost $50 today, and it's on sale for $40. What is the percentage discount? The percentage discount is 20%. And there you have it. So, with the word that I gave you, you're going to use that another example and you're going to work it by yourself. So I'm going to come up with a check to ensure that you are all working in the correct step. Right? Good. You have 2 minutes and then we're going to. Alright, so for the exercise, you're going to use the cards that I give you. So since you are already in groups, we have 2 groups, Group A and Group B. Group A is prime numbers, Group B is composite numbers. So on your card, for the number that you have, you're going to write the factors for those numbers. And when you finish, you're going to give your group leader, and they will bring it to me. And then we're going to work on the board.
So good afternoon, class. And we'll start today with prime numbers. Now, to start with prime numbers, we'll first have you write the definition of prime. Prime numbers. And for comparison, we'll have you write the definition for composite numbers. Okay, good. Before we write the definition, can someone tell me what they think a prime number is? Okay, good. So, a prime number is a number that is divisible only by, a prime number is any number that is greater than 1 that is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So, it's a number greater than 1 that is divisible only by 1 and the number 8. So, good. Now, a prime number is a number that is only divisible by 1 or the number itself. Now that we got that definition done, we'll look at composite number. Now a composite number is any number that has more than 2 numbers which are divisible. So, for example, we'll have 12. Some factors of 12 can be 1, 2, 3, 6, and 12 itself. So looking at this example, you'll see that this is composite because it has more than 1 factor. So it has 1, has the number 12, but it has more factors that exist outside of 1 and 12, which makes it composite. So a composite number is any whole number that is greater than 1 and has more than 2 factors. Good. Now, as you see on the board, we didn't do any example for the prime number. Now this was deliberately left out so that you, the class, can find one number, one whole number I should say, that is only divisible by 1 and itself. So, okay, so this station say we'll do 7. 7 is a whole number, and the factor is 7 to be 1, and there's nothing else other than 7. So, this belongs in the category of prime, while 12 belongs in the category of complete. Great. Now with this, we'll have Miss Mason continue with some exercises on prime and identifying prime numbers